Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can implement this beautiful looking sign up and sign in page using the React, Bootstrap and React Router DOM. So let's get started. So for that, let me just simply open the Visual Studio Code to create the React project. So if you're compatible with other IDE, you can go with that as well. So first of all, let me just open the terminal, and here, so let me just navigate into the desktop, or you can create wherever you want. And to create the React project, so you can just simply type npx create -react -app, and you just need to give the name of the project. So we can just give this name something like sign in -sign up, and just click enter. So this will create this React project. So once the React project is created, so let me just simply type cd and just type sign in sign up. You can just simply press and tab and just click enter, and we just need to open this with the VS Code. So for that, you can just type code dot and click enter, or you can just manually open this with the VS Code as well. So you can see the project has been opened here, sign in sign up. So let me just maximize this, and if you just go inside the source folder, so you can see the app.css, app.js. So now if I just click onto this terminal and click on new terminal, and if you just type npm start and just click enter, so this should start our application. So you can see the React application has been started, and it has been automatically opened into the browser. So let me just remove the unused part. So let me just click here, and let me just simply remove this header, and let me just type something like React app. And if I just save and see, so you can see, so this has displayed this React app. So we don't need this index.css. So let me just simply delete, and let me just delete this logo svg as well. So let me just delete this one. We don't need this setup test.js as well, and we don't need this app.test.js, and also in app.css. So let me just remove the content and just type body, and we will be giving the background color something like Alice blue, and let me just save this one. So this is showing some error, so it can't resolve this index.css. So let me just go into this index.js. So since we have deleted this index.css, so let me just remove this one, and also remove this one as well, and we don't need this as well. So let me just remove everything from here, and this is showing the error in app.js. So since we have removed the logo as well, so let me just remove this. So the app is now running successfully, and if you just see the background, so this has already changed into the color which we have just set in our app.css. So now first of all, we will be creating the folder structure. So if you just go inside this source, click here and click onto this new folder, and inside here, so let me just create a sign up folder. So just create sign up, and inside here, so we just need to create the signup.jsx, and similarly we just need to create the css as well. So just type signup.css. So just create that. So inside this signup.jsx, so let me just simply create a React component. So just type RAFCE. So since I have installed the ES7 extension, so this has automatically created for me. So if you want to install, so you can just go into this extension tab here, and you can just simply install this ES7. So this will give that snippet. So let me just close this one. So once you create this, so we will later add the code inside here. So for now, let me just import this signup.css inside this signup.jsx. So let me just type import and just type /signup.css. So just save this one, and we just want to display this sign up inside the app. So you can just go inside this app.js, and here, so you can just simply import the signup.jsx. So this has automatically imported this. So sign up. So let me just save this one, and if I just go inside here, so you can already see, so it has displayed the content from the sign up. So once this is done, so now we will be installing the required packages. So first of all, so we will be using the Bootstrap. So let's install the Bootstrap. So for that, just go to your browser and just type npmjs.com, and here, so you just need to simply search for Bootstrap. So you can see the Bootstrap here. So if you just click on here, so you can see npm I Bootstrap will install the Bootstrap. So you can just click on plus sign and just simply paste that and click enter. So this will install the Bootstrap into our application. So if you just go into this folder and go inside the package.json, so you can see the Bootstrap has been added successfully. Similarly, so we will also be installing the React Router DOM. So just search for React Router DOM. So you can see, so this is also another package for routing. So let me just simply install this React Router DOM. So now to implement this Bootstrap, so we just have to add the CDN link. So for that, you just again go to the Bootstrap and just go into this first link from getbootstrap.com. So inside here, so if you just click onto this docs here and click onto this download, and if you just scroll down, so you will be able to see this CDN link. So you can just simply copy to the clipboard and again go to the VS Code, and here you can see the public. So just go inside here, inside index.html, and just go at the bottom here, and you just need to, so just above this title, just simply paste that and save. So this has automatically reformatted since I'm using this prettier formatter. So if you don't know how to install this prettier formatter into your VS Code, so I will put the link into the description. So once you install that, so this will automatically reformat your code. So I have added this. So once this is done, so let me again go to the signup.jsx. So inside here, so let's start writing the code. So let me just remove this and just create a div, and we can just give the name something like add user. And inside here, so let me just type something like as3, so for giving the title, and let me just give the name something like sign up. And so let me just go inside here and simply create a form and just give the name something like add user form. And inside this form, so we will be creating another div, and we will give this div name input group. And inside here, let me just simply create a label and just type HTML for and just give the name. So we will be creating the name, and also, so we will be creating the input. So the type of input will be text, and the ID will be name. So just type name and just give the autocomplete off, so that it won't autocomplete, and also type the placeholder, and this placeholder will display inside that field. So just type enter your name and just simply type slash and close this one. And if you just save, and if I just go again into this React app, so you can already see, so this has created this field name, and inside here, so the placeholder enter your name has also been displayed here. So we will later do the styling of this. So for now, let me just simply copy from here to here. So just copy this label and input and just paste twice. And here, so we just need to replace this name with the email. So we will be now adding the email here, and the label will be email, and the text type will be email, and the ID also will be email. And here you can just give the placeholder something like enter your email. So if you just see here, so you can see name, enter your name, and see in the email, enter your email. So similarly, so we will also provide the password. So just type password, and in the type, so input type will be password. So just type password, and the ID will be password, and just type something like enter password. So once this is done, so now let's create the styling for this add user div. So for that, let me just go into this signup.css, and here, so first of all, so we will be styling this add user. So just type dot add user. So we just have to give the actual name. So you can see add, and u will be in the capital letter. So we have given that. So first of all, so let's provide the margin. So just type margin, and the margin will be, so in the top and bottom, so let's give 50 pixel. And so for left and right, so we will just provide the auto so that it will automatically adjust. So once this is done, so let me just give the width. So we will provide the width something like 25% only, and you can already see the sign up has been moved here. So now let's give the background color for this div something like white. So just give white, and if you see, so this has given the white background. And similarly, we can just give the padding, just give the padding something like 40 pixel. So this will provide some space inside here. And similarly, we can just give the border radius. So just type border radius. So we can just give the 10 pixel. So what this will do is this will make this border rounded. And similarly, so we can just provide the shadow as well in this box, the white box. So we can just provide the shadow by just typing box shadow. So just type box shadow. So here in the box shadow, so we just have to provide the horizontal offset. So horizontal offset will be 1 pixel, and the vertical pixel will be 1 pixel. And the blur offset, we can just give something like 8 pixel. And also we just have to provide the opacity of the shadow. So for that, we can just provide the color. So just type RGBA, and inside here, so we just have to provide the red, green, and blue, and the opacity. So the red will be 0, and the green color will be 0. We don't want to provide the blue as well, so and we just want to give the opacity something like 0.065. So let me just save this one, so you can see the shadow, the beautiful looking shadow into this box. So once this is done, so now if I just go into this signup.jsx, so we just need to provide the styling for this input group. So input group is inside this add user form and input group. So let me just simply copy this and just type dot add user form and just paste that. And similarly, so the input group is inside that, so just type dot, and you just need to simply copy this input group and paste inside here. So we just want to do some styling here. So just give the width something like 100% for each input group, and just give the display. We just want it to be flex, and the flex direction will be so column. So if I just type column and see here, so you can see, so it has been aligned here, and the width is 100%. So once you give the styling for input group, so we just want to give the styling for this label as well. So label, which is name, email, and password. So for label, so we can just simply type the same thing. So let me just simply copy this and paste inside here, and just type label, and just give the margin top for the label something like 10 pixel. So this will provide some gap between this name and this box. And similarly, so once you give the styling for label, so we just want to do some styling for this input as well. So for that, we can just simply type the same thing. So let me just copy this same thing. So just copy here and just give dot here. And similarly, so now to provide the styling for input, so just type input instead of this label. And for input, so we just want to give the margin top 5 pixel. So you can see the 5 pixel, and also we just want to give the padding. So just type padding and padding 10 pixel. So we have given the padding 10 pixels. So it has created some gap inside this box here. So you can already see some changes here. So once this is done, so now let's create a button inside this sign up box. So let's go again inside this signup.jsx. So here, so we will be creating the button. So to create the button, so we just have to again go to the Bootstrap. So just go inside the Bootstrap, and here you just need to search for button and just click enter. So if you just scroll down, so you will be able to see so different kind of color, and here you can see the code as well. So we just want this success or this green one. So for that, we just have to copy this third one, since this is in the third row. So let me just copy this and let me just paste inside here. And here, instead of the success, so we just want it to be sign up. So just replace this into sign up, and we just want this type submit, And so here if you just go into this React app, so you can already see the sign up button here. So we just want to give the gap between this into password and sign up. So for that we just have to style this one. So this button is inside the input group, so we just have to give the dot input group and just type button. And so here we just want to give the margin top, so just type margin top, and we just want to give something like 10 pixel. And so if you see here, you can already see the gap between this sign up, and so this is because of the margin top we have just given. So here at the bottom, so we just want to add the login or sign in button as well. So for that, again go into this sign up, and here in just below this form, so we just want to create a new div. So just type div and just give the class name, and you can just give the name something like login. And here just create a paragraph and just type something like already have an account. Just give the question mark. So if you have already got account, so we can just simply just go into this Bootstrap, and here just copy this primary one. So just copy this button, and here so we will be now just type login and just give the type submit. And if you just save and go into this React, so this is appearing here. So we just want to style this already have an account paragraph and this login button. So to do that, we can again go to this signup.css. So here you can see the class name login. So you can just simply type dot login and just keep the margin top something like 10 pixel. So just give some gap margin top and just give something like 30 pixel. And also we just want this already have an account to be at the middle. So to do that, we can just simply do the text align and just type center. So here you can already see, so this has been aligned into the center. And also we just want this login button to be a little bit longer. So to do that, we can just simply copy this class name, so which is button and button hyphen primary. So just simply copy that. And also, so this is inside the login, so just type dot login and just type dot button, and also just clear the space and just type dot. And so inside here, so just provide the width, so just type width and just keep something like 50%. And if you just save, and if I just again go to here into this sign up form, so you can already see, so the login form is a little bit longer, and so the already have an account is also looking better here. So once this is done, so now let me just style this sign up heading as well. So to do that, so I think this is inside the add user and s3. So we just have to edit this add user s3. So for that, so just type dot add user, and so the heading is s3. So we just have to first of all give the text alignment. So let me just make it inside the center, so in center. And also we just want to give the font weight, so just type font weight. So we just want to give bold. So so it has already given the font weight bold, and we just want the color to be something like dark cyan. So just type dark cyan. So this has also changed the color. And similarly, so just type text transform, and we just want each and every letter to be in uppercase. So just type uppercase. So this has changed this one. And also we just want to give the text shadow. So let me just copy from the top add user. So let me just copy this box shadow, and let me just paste inside here. And instead of this box shadow, we just want it to be text shadow. And so instead of this 8 pixel, so we just want it to be 2 pixel. And instead of this 0.065, so just change this into the 0.7. And so now you can see the shadow as well into the text. So now this is complete. So the sign up form is complete. So the next thing is, so whenever I click onto this login, so this should redirect us to the login page. So to do that, we can again go to the signup.jsx, and you can just simply copy the whole code. So just completely select the whole code. And here, so let me just create a login folder. So just type login, and inside this login, so I just want to create the login.jsx and also login.css. So just simply copy this code into this login.jsx. So just simply paste that signup.jss code into here, and just change this into login, and also change this into login. And so first of all, so now we just have to create the route. So for that, just go into this app.jsx. So inside here, so now we will be using the React router DOM. So for using the React router DOM, you can just simply import the router provider. So we will be using the router provider. So just type router provider, and similarly we will also use the create browser router from the React router DOM. And let me just clear this sign up first of all, and just go inside this app, and let me just create a variable called route, and just type create a browser router. And inside here, so we will be writing the path and element. So the path will be the route, which is slash, and the element will be sign up. So so whenever we type slash here, so this should redirect us to the sign up page. So for that, we can just type the element something like sign up slash, and just give this one. So whenever we click on slash, so this should redirect us to this sign up page. And similarly, so to implement this, so first of all, we just have to go inside this div, and here, so we just have to provide the router provider, and inside here, so we just need to pass the router props, and inside here, so just simply provide this route inside here. And so let me just simply close this one, and if I just save, and if I just go into here, and if I just click on slash enter, so you can see the sign up page here. So similarly, so we just want to add the login page, so simply copy this, again paste here, and whenever we click on 3000/login, so we just have to be redirected into the login page. So for that, we just have to give something like login here. So just click enter. So this has automatically imported this login. So if you're not able to see, so you can just manually import that. And whenever we will just type /login, so this should redirect us to this login component. So once this is done, so again go to this sign up page here, and if you just go down here, so you can only see the button here. So instead of this button, so we just have to type link, and also be sure to import this link at the top. So this has automatically imported here. So if you're not able to see, so just simply manually import this, and also change this button into link. And inside here, so just simply type 2 equals, and just type /login, so which is the same login which we have provided here at the path. So /login. So now if I just go into this application here, so you can see the error signup.css. So this is because so we haven't imported this signup.css inside this login.jsx. So we just want this to be login.css. So inside this login.css, so just simply copy the whole code from this signup.css. So just simply paste here. So once this is done, so you can see, so this has resolved the error. So if I just click onto this login, so this should redirect us to this /login page here. So we just have to now edit this. So to edit that, we can just go into this login.jsx here. So instead of this sign up, we can just simply type sign in. So just type sign in here. So you can see, so this has already changed to sign in. And inside this login page, so we don't need this name. So just simply clear this. So we just want this email and password only. And instead of this sign up, so we just want to change this into the login. And so instead of this already have an account, so we just want this to be changed into so if you haven't created account, so you can just create the account. So we just want to do the opposite of this one. So to do that, we can just go down here, and instead of this success, so we just want this to be primary. So we just want to change the color, and instead of this sign up, so we just want this to be sign in, or we can just say something like login. So you can see, so this has changed into the login. So now just change this into don't have account. So if you don't have account, so you can just go for sign up. So just provide the link here. So just type link, and also be sure to import this link at the top. So import link from React Outer DOM. So we just want this to redirect into the sign up. So just type sign up, and also just type 2/. So we just want this to be redirected into this sign up page, so which is into the slash. So if I just click onto this sign up, so this has redirected us to the sign up page. So if I just click on login, so this has redirected us to this sign in page. So we just want to change the color of this into something like green or success. So we just want to change that. So for that, we can just simply type success and save this one. So this has changed the color, but this has changed the size as well. To change that, we can just again go to this login.css, and instead of this primary, so just type success and just save this one. And if you just go here, so this has already changed the width into the 50% here. So if I just click here, so this is working completely fine here. So this is how you can create the sign up and sign in form using the React, Bootstrap, and React Outer DOM. So if you get any issue while coding this one, so I will put the GitHub link into the description, so you can just check out that as well. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.